So yeah, we're gonna bring to you a little day in Wayne's life. Hey Wayne, I got something for you. It's a little cat.
Oh, a cat? A pussy cat?
Yeah. You know what that does with that?
That goes in my hat?
Sorry, it goes on your hat. Look at that.
Good thing I'm wearing a hat, huh?
Good thing he's got hair. Holy crap. Not a lot of old people you see with that much hair.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, let's go check out Fun Mike.
Fun Mike?
This is Fun Mike's dog. Whoops, ran away. So Fun Mike is a subscriber of ours. And he happens to have an Ambo, so he's been chalking lots with the Wainster.
So when last time I saw Mike, I looked at his battery isolator, and it's broken. Somebody already bypassed it.
Holy crap! Looks
from here to here. It was this is the truck batteries. This is the house batteries, and like I said,
it doesn't look very good shape.
And then we're replacing the solenoids with a solid state relay because these use a lot of current.
You got it in the little case there, buddy. What's in the case? Spit it out. Oh,
the drills, because Mike's going
they're called hole saws.
Hole saws.
Yeah. Come on, let's go see Mike. Mike has got his Sunday best on, I see.
Yeah.
You got your holy shirt.
Yeah.
This is Fun Mike from our channel here, from watching the channel. You'll see him in the subscriptions. And we're going to be putting a... what is it in there?
There's going to be a diesel heater installed into here.
As
soon as Fun Mike gets rid of all the mess.
Right? Mike's big job of the day. How long you been in this thing, Mike?
This is my third year. Going on my third year.
Third year?
Third year.
Wow. He's our ice cream delivery guy. Nice. Well, he's about to do a step up and get some heat in here, so that should be cool. Are you shy, Sweepy? Are you shy? Are you a shy little girl? A little bit? You're not. I'm going to go in. Oh, look, he's got a seat too. We're all going to sit down. I'm going to sit down over here. We're going to watch these guys while I catch up on some social media. So he's looking for power and stuff, I think.
I'm going to be isolating the power.
Isolating the power.
Yeah.
Cool. I'll come back to you.
Yeah.
See what Mike's doing. Michael? Look at this mess he's creating. Looks like he's moving in. What'd you find?
Well, what I found is when I took the wires off, it just pulled right out.
Oh my God.
Don't think it's working anymore.
You think it's dangerous?
It could have been if it touched ground or whatever, yeah.
Look at all, is there an ambulance wiring stuff, eh? It comes with the ambulance when you buy it, by the way. All right, get to work, Wayne.
Yeah.
And this is where, I don't know what the heck went wrong. Either my new DJI mini mic microphone popped out. I don't know, we had no sound whatsoever. The boys went hard at work. We had Mike cutting holes, we're getting ready for his new heater. Wayne was in there ripping out old broken parts and reinstalling new ones. And trying to figure out how we can make it work a little bit better. Because that's what Wayne does. It was a beautiful day out today. The dogs were having fun. I was chilling and they were working hard. Wayne had some moments where he needed to take some time out, but what's to be expected of somebody with, 11 stints and 2 heart attacks? The way to go, Wayne. Let's get back at it. Some fun, huh, Bambi? Looks good.
Hey, Mike, over here.
Oops.
This is your master switch.
While they check out the new power switch, let's go have a look at where they're installing the new diesel heater. Let's go see what they're up to.
What did they do with the cutter? Oh, sitting there for cutters are on top. Did you buy this from somebody else already?
Yeah.
Okay.
I bet you they have it.
Jensen Plumbing.
Hey?
Brent.
Brent.
Bought it from Brent.
I just noticed it.
I'm hoping that when I connect the batteries back up together,
Yeah.
and I reconnect the wire that went to all the power up here,
Yeah.
it'll have more features.
Oh, awesome.
But I think this is the master control.
Yeah.
There's a master switch. Get the bolts for here.
Okay.
I'm going to bolt it into place. We're going to get the exhaust.
Oh, good
You
job,
notice there's two different sizes.
Yeah.
Clean.
Exhaust and that, and they got hose clamps that clamps them on.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So we'll get the bolts on here, right? Then there's that rubber seal that goes over here, and then we screw it on. But we'll get the you put the exhaust and the cold air, fresh air intake on, and slide it down.
Oh, okay. Okay.
You see that?
Hang on. Hey, guys. It says right here,
Yeah.
do not, hang on. I can't translate it. Wayne didn't even think that was funny. So those ones don't have a fuel filter.
No. I never always use a fill filter, right?
Yeah.
Where's your last nut there, bud?
What?
You're missing a nut.
Over here.
You looking for toys? I don't think there comes toys or stickers, dude.
Yeah.
Oh, maybe stickers. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. It's warm out today. And frankly, I'm in pain. Wayne, well, he had to lie down. His old tickers ain't what it used to be. So they're having a break. Mikey's still working away, getting his apparatuses stuck to his diesel heater. It's quite the nice Ambo, actually.
Has some tie wraps in there, right?
Yeah. You want?
Look how clean that looks, eh? Huh?
Yeah, not bad, eh?
It's a lot of wire there, dude.
Oh, I know. And it's got for optional stuff too, right?
Yeah. I'm trying to figure out a way to get the wire from one side to the power station on the other. You looking for a place to hook it up?
Well, no, I'm gonna want to hook it up here. I'm just trying to run it over to there, right?
Ah.
Because this is hollow here, but I don't know if we have enough wire.
Look at these guys, eh? Smart, staying in the shade. Oh, these guys are working away in the sun. They don't know what they're pulling out,
Putting my screwdriver.
but it's not hooked up to anything. The object is try to get this wire
That
to
is
the
so
other side of the
tight.
van and all the way up to where
Right.
they are. And it's getting late. Thought I'd bring some muscle to the game. There you go. Pretty sure one of those will work.
Holy cow.
Hey? What is it?
Automobile adapter model. Panasonic. Oh, it's for a laptop. Power supply for a laptop.
Oh. Was.
Well, no, it's not wholly broken.
Clean up some space for running the wire. So he's got to clean up his space to get the wires through.
Whew.
And the dogs, well, they're just watching. Yeah, like me, enjoying the shade. Hey Wayne,
Yo!
you got that other bar on yet?
Yeah, what other bar?
Oh, I thought you put 2 of those things up.
No, I only have one. He's got to order more.
Ah.
But he has to get the DC to DC too.
Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome. Lying down on the job. Jeez, Michael.
No, I can't open stuff already.
What are you doing? Finding shade? All the smart ones are finding shade. Even Wayne went to go find shade. And poor Mike. He might be lying down in here, but he's pulling panels off because we're trying to run that wire through here. But there's a panel on the other side that we're hitting, so we have to get all the padding off to find the panel and remove it. Morning.
Morning.
He's still struggling in there.
Yeah?
Yeah. He's looking for something. All nicely installed. Now it's time for a tank. Oh. Getting a bird's eye view here, Mickey. That's from his girlfriend.
Oh, it's on top.
Oh, while the boys are playing with the fuel tank, I think I'll go and start us some dinner.
With that to the metal stuff?
And Mike was kind enough to bring us over some pork chops. And we're going to barbecue them up. Whew. Might as well cook them all up. We're not going to eat them all, but since we can't refrigerate them. What did you do?
Well, we hooked up the battery charger, tested it.
Yeah.
It works.
Oh, nice.
And told him these are for his outlets inside, so if he's plugged his generator into here,
Yeah.
these outlets inside will work.
Hey! Mike, you don't look so impressed. And this is the new bar you put in.
Yeah, just temporary.
Oh.
It needs another one over here because it's got the house batteries and the truck batteries are tied together.
Gotcha.
Because the somebody did that before because the isolator was broken.
Gotcha.
And I happen to have this, and we don't need a DC to DC, a separate one.
Not yet.
Right on. Well, that's the work for today.
Yeah. So I am dead tired.
You don't look dead.
Oh, tired.
Tired.
Almost dead.
The pork chops and stuff should be ready shortly, guys.
Okay.
Well, most of the chops are done. I'm on number 2. Wayne,
I'm
you done?
Yeah. I have to save a little room for ice cream.
Ice cream. Mike? Yeah, bon appetit. Well, that was a fun day today. Helping out a subscriber friend of ours, Mike. Thanks for letting me film you. Thanks, Wayne, for allowing me to film you. And yeah, let's just we're gonna put this over on Wayne's channel. He needs a video, because that's me helping them because I was no help today. Thanks for watching, and remember, Wayne is the man when it comes to electronical stuff. If you need any help, send him an email. It'll be down below in the description. Peace, love, and granola.